Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use this silicone hand to practice my acrylic. So subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using these little nails that came with the hand. I purchased this hand off of eBay. And you use that, you use that and you slip it into the nail underneath the cuticle. But first you want to size it up. That is very important. You want to size it up, make sure you get the correct one. So you just slip it in there, push it all the way back as far as it will go. It's going to be a little bit of a tip, but that's okay. And then you do the same thing for the rest of the hands, rest of the fingers, sorry. Now what you do is you get a tip and you glue it on, but you want to make sure it's not too wide for the nail, because then it's going to make your application, your acrylic application, look funny. So you get a tip and then you glue it on, hold it down. It's going to give you a curved nail if you like curved, but you can make it look straighter, and I'll show you that in the next video. But anyway, so here you have it. It's a curved nail. Make sure you glue it down and just make sure you get the right size. These tips I did purchase off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So I'm just going to do that with each finger. This is why I love these practice hands, the silicone practice hands. I don't know if you've seen my other videos where I practice with different practice hands, but these practice hands, once I'm done, because it's so easy, I can literally just take the nails out. There's no damage to the hand. I don't have to soak it off. And seriously, I can get started on another, practicing on another set. So that is really what I needed. It just cuts down time and money. It saves a lot of money. And I don't have to use so much acetone. So I would definitely recommend purchasing. They're a little bit expensive. Each one, you can buy a left and a right. This isn't the red iguana. I know some, the red iguanas are like super, what are they called? More expensive than these ones. This one is just a regular silicone. This one was $50 for the right hand and then $50 for the left hand. So that is a little steep, but it's well worth it. You can use it over and over again. I bought it last week. It came in the mail, and well, actually it came in the mail last week. I bought it 1 week ahead of time, 1 week before that, and so far I've used it. Sorry for the music, because I'm outside doing an over voice. Okay, so yeah, what was I saying? I purchased it 2 weeks ago. It came 1 week ago, and I've used it 3 times so far. No damage on the cuticles or anything. It's just really great for practicing. If you want to just get as much out of a practice hand as possible, I would definitely recommend this hand. So we are trimming down our nails. I'm not doing too long for this look. Now in this video I won't be laying the actual acrylic, but I am showing you how to use the silicone hand the best way. So if you would like to see me laying acrylic, please check out my other videos. And I just want to do a square shape. So these hands, you want to hold that cuticle down to keep the nail from being so flimsy around. And it's not that bad, honestly. I know some people are thinking, well, that's going to be annoying. You can still shape it really well if you hold it down, just like any normal customer. Sorry it's so blurry right now. But I'm just going to speed through shaping that. And then you want to buff the shine off of those nails. So like I said, the nails that were pushed into the cuticle came with the hand, but I have used regular, what's it called? What are these things called? I have used regular tips. You know, if I wanted to do a clear color and not a white, I've used regular tips and pushed them down. I bought them off of Amazon. They come with the clear or the white, so those are still good if you know, because you're pretty much going to run out of those tips eventually. Depends on how often you practice. So I'm buffing the shine off of the nails completely. This gives me a more realistic customer feel. Like if I actually had a client sitting at my nail desk, this gives me that feel. So that's what I wanted. That's what I'm practicing because I eventually want to start taking customers. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!